So we've got the saw set up with the fence 1.5 inches away from the blade. We've got an outfeed table to support the 2x6 when we finish cutting it through, so it doesn't tip or tend to tip. We've got our push sticks, agate ware, and earmuffs. Here we go. Okay, so now what we're going to do for the second cut is split the board to the opposite sides so that we maximize that use to the milled edge. Just increases our accuracy. Now that we've ripped the material, we're going to take those same pieces that we've just cut and we're going to lay them out for cross-cutting. So we're going to mark on here 14 3/4, which is one of the front legs. We're going to use our square form the line. And the list for all these cuts is on the website. You can find it in the show notes below. Use your 90 degree. So if you cut a little long at the first go, just come back and trim it off a little bit. You saw me doing that there. So we'll cut the rest of them, and then we'll come back and show you the next step.